Yes, every case she says promise to marry.
It's all right. You have fulfilled the promise.
Here, yes.
That is
And
why
at the
498.
expense of the police. 3 days of marriage, my lord.
Three days.
Yes, met in Mysore as
Ah.
per her complaint itself. In this case, after my lord, the notice was issued to her, she would go to the bar council and file a complaint against the advocates on record in this case.
So you described her to be aged 33 years now.
Yes, she has started
So,
this
started it
quite
in
young.
At
Yes,
21 years.
yes. So 1 decade is almost complete.
1 decade. 10 husbands, 1 decade. Correct. Cancellation of bail.
This is that 10th husband.
Oh, yes.
In fact,
This
your
bond is not present even today.
no, Miller.
Yes, sir.
Please, my lord, the list of cases, your lordship would
Synopsis
get it at
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
page 13. It is there in the petition, page 13 of the petition. There are 9 previous complaints filed by her.
1 minute. You are the husband.
Yes,
Husband-
that is not disputed.
No. It's all right. Husband number.
10. My
Because
lord,
most
every,
of them it is 354 or 376.
yes, every case she says promise to marry.
It's all right. You have fulfilled the promise.
Here, yes.
That is
And
why
at the
498.
expense of the police.
That's all right. But you have fulfilled the promise, so 498.
Yes. 3 days of marriage, my lord.
Three days.
Yes, met in Mysore as
Ah.
per her complaint itself, 28/8/2022. Then marriage in temple is on 31/8/2022. Then the police direct them to get married, hence a registered marriage on 12/9/2022.
All right.
She says that they started living together from 12/9. And the first petitioner husband abandons her on 15/9/2022.
3 days after marriage.
Yes, and present, my lord, the first information is dated 19/9/2022. But the police registered the FIR on 22/9/2022.
ನೀವು preliminary enquiry ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ?
Probably they wanted to do the preliminary inquiry because there is a note.
ಆಮೇಲೆ 4 complaints against respondent number 2.
Yes, that your lordships would lordship would
for,
get it at page 14.
Extortion and robbery.
Yes, 389. That is in before
Extortion.
that. Yes, 389, then 448, 506. And irony is, my lord, one of the accused is a police inspector at serial number 8. That we should,
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 82 of 2020 ಇಲ್ಲ?
yes, 82 of 2020.
Appears to be notorious. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಅವರು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್
ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 81 is the police officer who filed a complaint.
And there, my lord, she seeks for cancellation of bail before the coordinate cancellation of anticipatory bail.
ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ?
No, in against the police inspector at serial number 8, that is crime 82. The coordinate bench, my lord, not only cancels, but would direct the IO to arrest the accused forthwith. The Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, has held that such a thing cannot be done. If at all, the police would want the custody of the accused.
Justice ಸಂದೇಶ್ ಅವ್ರದ? Yes.
And in this case, after, my lord, the notice was issued to her, she would go to the bar council and file a complaint against the advocates on record in this case for the petitioners.
ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes. And, my lord, the bar council also mechanically issues notice, not only against the 2 advocates on record before your lordship, against the his advocate, the petitioner, one's advocate in Coorg. And they mechanically, my lord, bar council also issues.
No, you described her to be aged 33 years now.
Yes, she has started
So,
this
started it
quite
in
young. Yes,
At 21 years.
yes. So 1 decade is almost complete.
1 decade. 10 husbands, 1 decade. Correct ಆಗಿದೆ.
In fact, my lord, may I just pass? This is the complaint filed to the bar council that is closed.
Heard the learned senior counsel Murthy D. Naik appearing for the petitioner. The second respondent is the complainant. The saga of deceit from the hands of the second respondent complainant is now a decade old. Initially gets married to one Manjunath, registers a crime in crime number 400 of 2011 for offense punishable under section 498A and 34 of the IPC. A little thereafter, registers another crime in crime number 44 of 2015 against one Hanumesh for offense punishable under 504 and 506B of the IPC. The third crime comes against one Mr. Santosh in crime number 297 of 2015 for offense punishable under section 376 and 420 and 504 and 506 of the IPC. The offense of rape is projected on the score that the accused therein had breached the promise of marriage. The fourth crime is in crime number 41 of 2017, 2017, again for offense punishable under section 376 and 420 inter alia. For the second time, offense of rape on the promise of marriage is projected against one Kumar Gaurav. The sixth crime comes to be registered again for offense punishable under section 376 and 420 of the IPC in crime number 246 of 2019 against one Mr. Manoj. The seventh crime then comes to be registered in crime number 17 of 2020, again for offense punishable under section 376 and 420 of the IPC against one Muhammad. The eighth crime in crime number 82 of 2020 comes to be registered against a policeman, which appears a policeman who had received the complaint from the hands of the petitioner for
offense punishable under 323 and 376.
Offense punishable under section 376 and 323 of the IPC. The ninth crime is against one Abhishek. In crime number 157 of 2021 for offense punishable under section 354A and 417 inter alia. The 10th crime is the subject crime. The 10th crime is registered against the petitioner and father, mother.
The entire family member.
Against the petitioner and all the members of the family of the petitioner. The allegations are the ones punishable under section 498A, 323, 504 and 506 of the IPC. The fact of the matter is that the petitioner, first petitioner, gets married to the accused in a temple on
31/8/2022.
On 31/8/2022. And on 12/9/2022, they get their marriage registered. On 15/9/2022, it is alleged that the husband abandoned the wife, the complainant. And for a stay of 3 days with the petitioner, alleged stay of 3 days with the petitioner, all the offenses under 498A, 323, 504, 506 is alleged not only against the petitioner husband, but all the members of the family. The next para. The learned senior counsel would also submit that against the petitioner, there are 4 crimes registered in crime number 81 of 2020, 319 of 2021, and in near pending.
They are petitions, my lord.
So crimes are registered against so and so for extortion, trespass, inter alia. With these being the facts, a perusal at the order sheet would indicate that the second respondent has remained absent throughout. The second respondent is appearing in person. The prima facie, it becomes necessary to observe that it is such frivolous cases and the abuse of the process of the law by such complainants have clogged the criminal justice system and led to and have contributed to docket explosion. But the respondent in person is, since the respondent in person is not present, I deem it appropriate to grant one opportunity to the respondent to appear or make submissions. List the matter on Saturday in the fresh matters list.
Grateful.
Secure the status of all these cases to show maybe
Oh,
single.
Pudi. Try to get.
Try me, may not.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೇನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, only to say in case if any compromise is taken place over there and then taken.
Even worse.
That is what.
Register 498 and compromise. Yes. We'll see. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಬಾರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ಗೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅದು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ.
I have given the memo.
On the last paragraph ಮುಂಚೆ. Not stopping at this, the complainant on the counsel who represented the husband has knocked at the doors of the Bar Council of Karnataka, registering a proceeding for professional misconduct. Fortunately, the Bar Council has closed the complaint registered against the advocate who has represented the husband.
After mechanically issuing the notice.
Registered his husband in accordance with law. So it's ಅದೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿ.
Grateful.
99.
The interim order maybe.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the disposal of the petition.
Great.